Happy Wednesday, everyone, and thanks again for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We have a northern severe threat today, tomorrow, and also into the end of the week. Along with that comes some heavy rain, maybe some flood concerns. Also keeping an eye on that rain down along the Gulf Coast states, the southwest of the monsoon areas, and then, of course, into the Ohio Valley and back into the northeast by this upcoming weekend. And looking at temperatures next week, maybe a little bit cooler in the south central U.S., but here's the severe threat on Wednesday showing up as a slight risk over the Dakotas and back into Minnesota. It looks like damaging winds and heavy rain would be the primary concerns. Again, as another line of thunderstorms develops tonight, early tomorrow morning, then some redevelopment Thursday afternoon and evening in these particular areas under a marginal threat. And then by Friday, that threat shifting back into the northeast, but everywhere else under a general thunderstorm threat. So again, the severe weather concerns in the central U.S. on Friday looking pretty quiet. There's that heavy rain along with a broad area of low pressure over the Gulf Coast region. Swarms of showers and storms continue, but that is starting to retrograde now. Up to the north, again, some heavy rain in places there, and also into the southwest, looking at that monsoon moisture. And then this particular corridor from the southwest to the northeast through the next several days into the weekend could be very heavy in terms of precipitation. You can see from West Texas into the central U.S. and into the Ohio Valley and back into the northeast. We're looking at some widespread 1 to 2+ inch tallies, a little bit heavier down along the lower Mississippi Valley, and then some heavier stuff in the Midwest for the next 48 hours or so with that heavy rain chance. But warmer temperatures here next week from the western U.S. to the northern U.S. and the eastern U.S. But then in the central part of the nation, it looks like will be a little bit cooler than average next week. For now, though, pretty warm in the central U.S. with those temperatures ranging anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees above average, a little bit cooler in the Pacific Northwest, the northern Rockies there. 90 today in Minneapolis, 95 in St. Louis, 102 in Dallas, and our friends in D.C. will be up to 91.